Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 68 Buick GS400. Cool car, 4-speed car, upgraded to a 430. This thing is fun to drive and looks great. Look at the quality of that paint. Look at that light. Just like you're looking at the light itself. And, you know, a little imperfection there. I did a paint video to try to show you any imperfections, and there's not many of them. A little scratch right there. But nice car. Seat cover's been redone, the fronts. So new heater controls. There you can see a little crack in the dash right there, and they thought they'd put a Buick emblem there. I would have just left the crack, but that's what somebody did. Door panels look pretty original. You can see my reflection in this car. So if you want a great looking car with black paint, this thing definitely is it. Not a lot of stuff to show you on it as far as imperfection. Oh, I showed this my paint one, and it's got some paint that lifted up here. So I just washed it, a little water in there. So, but that is the only thing, some paint crack. Something maybe need to be fixed, and then you need to clear the rear quarters, which they're nice and straight, so it shouldn't be an issue. So if you're looking for a really nice, fun car to drive, this GS is it. 605-695-7391.